Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a caterpillar. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first let's draw the head. For that draw a U shape and connect it with a curve. Now draw the eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth. Now let's draw the body. For that, draw the connected half circles like this. Now let's draw the tentacles and then feet. Now let's draw the spots on the caterpillar. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, draw the outline. And then erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.